Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized recommendations, AI is at the heart of innovation. But to harness its power, specific skills are crucial. Today, we'll dive into the top 3 in-demand, high-income AI skills you need to thrive in this dynamic field. Hi, welcome to our channel. If you're excited about the future of AI and want to know which skills can set you on the path to success, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Machine learning and deep learning. First up is machine learning and deep learning. These technologies form the backbone of most AI systems. Machine learning involves teaching computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. It's used in various applications like fraud detection, recommendation systems, and even healthcare diagnostics. Key concepts include supervised and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, models are trained on labeled data. Think of it as teaching a child with flashcards. In contrast, unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, finding patterns and structures within it. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, uses neural networks with multiple layers, hence the deep, to model complex patterns in data. It's the driving force behind advancements in image and speech recognition, autonomous driving, and more. Mastering these skills requires knowledge in algorithms, programming languages like Python, and frameworks such as TensorFlow or PyTorch. With these, you can build and train models that push the boundaries of what's possible. And the reward? Machine learning engineers earn an average salary of over $110,000 per year, with top talent commanding even higher. 2. Natural language processing (NLP). Next, we have natural language processing or NLP, the technology that enables machines to understand and interact with human language. NLP is everywhere, from the chatbots you interact with on websites to the virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. It powers machine translation, sentiment analysis, and more. NLP combines linguistics with machine learning to process and analyze large volumes of text or speech. It includes tasks like tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition. Recent advancements like transformers and BERT models have revolutionized NLP, enabling machines to understand context and nuances better than ever before. To excel in NLP, you need skills in language processing techniques, familiarity with NLP libraries like NLTK or Spacy, and an understanding of advanced models like GPT-3. NLP engineers earn an average salary of around $107,000 annually. It's a field full of opportunities as businesses seek to leverage the power of language data. 3. AI ethics and explainability. Finally, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, AI ethics and explainability are crucial skills. They ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and transparently. AI ethics focuses on the moral implications of AI technologies. It addresses concerns like bias, privacy, and the societal impact of AI decisions. Unethical AI can lead to biased decisions in critical areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement. Understanding how to mitigate these risks is essential. Explainability, on the other hand, deals with making AI systems understandable to humans. This is vital for building trust and ensuring accountability in AI decisions. Skills in this area include knowledge of ethical frameworks, tools for assessing bias, and techniques for making AI decisions interpretable. It's about ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and aligned with human values. Professionals specializing in AI ethics and explainability are increasingly in demand as organizations strive to build trustworthy AI. While the field is still emerging, the potential for high-income opportunities is significant. So, there you have it, the top 3 AI skills that are in high demand and can lead to lucrative careers: machine learning and deep learning, natural language processing, and AI ethics and explainability. Whether you're just starting out or looking to pivot your career, these skills can set you on a path to success in the fast-evolving world of AI. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights into the world of AI, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.